burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools, but our spirit will never die. We will not go down in Gaza tonight.
Hello, welcome back in our channel TechZone. You are welcome anytime in the morning or in the night when you are watching us. Für Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, für Italien benvenuti, come stai, for French enchanté, comment ça va? So today we're gonna speak about a nice boot called Golden Eagle boot. And this boot is very nice actually because you can withdraw directly. You have to create a wallet inside the boot or outside. It's not a problem at all. Right now I open it, just waiting for loading. Actually I will make another video about how to withdraw. Right now it's loading. All you have to know right now to complete and finish the tasks they given to you. I will let my link in the description box to join. So it's connected. First you have to know you can click to earn more. As you see, I click now, I earn. When you finish the 1000, it starts to re-account. Don't forget to make the tasks. As you see here, it's very important because you will not withdraw until you finish the tasks. It's first 3 basic tasks. First one, it's about subscribe in them channel, and they will give you about 12k coin. As you see here, you have to first click on the link, it open, and take a screenshot from the link. I make already a screenshot. Sometime he accepted, sometime he not, but I will try with you right now. Click on check. As you see here, you have to upload it. I will upload it because I prepared it. Okay, he refused it, so I have to try it again. Or I try another one, but I will try it again. Okay, he refused it again, so not problem at all. I will try for Twitter. He gave me 4000 coin or 4k coin. I already have screenshot, and you have to prepare. You have to prepare it to make it all directly. You now understand the way. So you have to check and delete the last upload and make a new upload. There are a problem in Twitter confirming, so he will keep loading until he accepts it. But it's not a problem at all. They say they are in holiday for Christmas, New Year, so congratulations everyone. And when they come back today, and they will accept it all. So that's better. Okay, it's accepted. As you see here, it's loading. So I will make another task to see to make you see the full confirmation of this process. This for the community. I have already the photo, but I must open the link. Okay, I choose it and I have to click yes, complete. Okay, he refused again, so this time I think I will change or make edit for the photo to see why he refused it. Let's try. Okay, I will open my pen. I try to make it smaller, more focusing in the situation, white area, like that. I will upload it now. Okay, it's accepted. As you see, it's appear check task and loading. So don't forget to make like, share and subscribe please. Okay, it's accepted and turned to green now, and as you see up, he give me a 4k or 4000 coin. So the problem was with the photo. I will try another community. I will edit it again and try to re-upload it. As you see, I will make only the board. We will see how it will accept it. I will upload it now. You have to try until it accepted because this is the main task. Okay, it's accepted. As you see here, check task. I will click it, will turn to green and give me 4k or 4000 coin. So right now I'm ready for the second stage or second step. Second step, it's creating wallet. You can download it. You can actually download the wallet in your mobile, but as you see here, I do it. As you see here, golden eagle, this is my credit, and I only missed one task, waiting for loading confirmation. So I will click the other here SRL8 to create a wallet. As you see here, it's connect, need to connect. So click connect, he will open with you a registration page. you put your email. I will choose any email for me. Okay, we'll send it to my email a code, so I will get the code and back to you. Okay, right now it's working. Don't forget to make subscribe and share. So I try to pass the confirmation code, but I don't know actually why it refused. I'll try it again. Okay, it's working now. Okay, you have to understand that I make something wrong because it's Arabic letter, it's a name, he will not accept it. So you have to choose an English letter to accept it. I don't know about your language, but it's proved to me. Right now you can I make it, I put the password directly. I wait to connect it. Okay, let's check again for password, and you will need your password and email. Yes, it's accepted for the application because the wallet it's a dependent application. As you see here, it's written activate, so I will activate it. It's loading right now. So I have to close all of that. I think I believe I will click in golden eagle and back to SL8 again. Okay, it's loading. I believe it's work. It's work. Yes, it's working now. So there are a withdraw and a deposit, but it's better to open it for a celebrated wallet. Download the wallet, and the next video I will explain to you how to withdraw, how to change your coin after they accept my task, my last task, to make it live for you and see it directly to be sure. Just click right now to earn more. I wish for you all happy new year, and I hope you can work good to earn more profit. So I can say to you right now, if you have any question, just ask me in our Telegram group. And also don't forget to make like, share and subscribe. Motivate me please. Okay guys, now here is the end, so I can say to you goodbye and peace, pal, choose, ciao. See you soon.
Down in the night without to fight. You can burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools, but our spirit will never die. We will not go down in Gaza tonight.